Welcome back
to Fun Crazy Kids. And today we're back with another crazy video. And today we're going to be doing the slimy gloop. Let's get into it.
I'm laughing.
Okay, so Kabir got the instructions for the slimy gloop.
And there's different kinds of slimes that you can make. You can make sticky, icky, slimy gloop. And ooey, gooey, glow, slimy gloop.
Yep.
You can make alien sneeze, glow, slimy gloop.
Ew. What the heck?
Gloppy, sloppy, slimy gloop. And monster snot, slimy gloop. So you can pick whatever ones you like. And now it came with the materials that we need to make the slime. We have some green powder, green dye to turn the slime green, sodium tetraborate,
Okay, so we got the materials for the slime. It came with
a plastic spoon, a plastic cup that measures milliliters, sodium teraborate, green powder, and then we have a stick to stir, a green dye, some glow in the dark to make the slime glow up, and then some glue. Alright, so the slimes that we chose for this video are, I chose the ooey gooey glow slimy gloop, and Aaron chose the alien sneeze glow slimy gloop. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, let's
Rock,
go.
paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you won.
Aaron's gonna go first.
Let's go.
So,
The first step for Aaron's slime is you have to have a 125 cup milliliter of filled with hot water, and then you have to pour it into here. Boom, you got that. And then you have to get some of this tetra, pour it, and then you have to get 1 full spoon of this, and then put it in here, and then stir.
You have to stir until the tetraborate dissolves in the
The
water.
next step for Aaron's process is we need to put water in a 25 milliliter cup again, and then you have to put 16 milliliters of glue, and you have to put it together.
describe Aria.
So he's gonna mix that glue with the water.
Alright, so Zara's gonna put in the glow in the dark to the glue with the water in it. There we go. Now she's gonna mix it with the stick. Alright, Zara put in the glow in the dark with the glue, and now she's gonna put in some green sand.
Half of the bag, they said.
Half of the bag. And time to stir again. Now Zara's done stirring with the green sand. Now she's gonna combine the other substance that we made with the tetraborate and put them both in the same bottle. Alright, Aaron's slime has been completed, and this is the outcome.
Imagine your shirt.
Alright, now on to mine. Alright, so we have our activator, and then we have 40 milliliters of water and 26 milliliters of glue, and we have our stick. So first we're gonna put this into the... Okay, we mixed our activator, and then we have 40 milliliters of water, 26 milliliters of glue, and we have our stick. Alright, now we're gonna put the glue into the water.
Maybe on my fingerprints.
And we're gonna mix that up.
In my slime.
And then after this, we're gonna add in our glow in the dark mixture thing to make it glow in the dark.
Alright, now we're gonna put our glow in the dark substance into the glued water. Now we're gonna add our activator into the glow in the dark slime. And now we mix. Alright, here's our outcome of the slimes. Mine didn't end up too great because we kind of like failed in the direction department, and
But Aaron's
is fine, but it's alright. So anyway, if you
And it's
enjoyed
so
this video, make sure you like and
squeezy.
subscribe for more content. And tomorrow we're gonna be making a cooking video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Halloween cookies for the win. Let's go.
Peace.
And subscribe for more crazy videos.
Peace.
Peace.
Praise out.